VS Code now has a marketplace for MCP servers and more. All of this in this episode of Developer News for the calendar week 41. Version 1.105 of Visual Studio Code comes with improvements like the agents.md file that was previously introduced can now be placed in subdirectories and no longer only in the main directory. This file gives additional context and instructions to AI agents. If you let your agents work in the background and they need some sort of user input, you now get an OS notification. These OS notifications now also appear if you're running a build tasks like building your project. Visual Studio Code now also has a built-in MCP server. The Model Context Protocol provides AI agents and the AI chat with additional resources, like for example Microsoft Learn. You can find these MCP servers in the extensions view by entering @MCP. If you are using Dependabot on GitHub, the now displayed commands will be discontinued on January 26th. It is recommended to use the GitHub UI or the GitHub CLI to perform these actions instead. GitHub now supports social login with your Apple account. This is the second social login after the Google account. If you already have GitHub account, you can just add the mail address of your Apple account as a new email address in the settings, and then you're able to log in with your Apple account. GitHub Copilot now supports the Grok Fast 1 model as a public preview, and Claude Sonnet 4.5 is now generally available, while Claude Sonnet 3.5 is being discontinued in favor of it. 3 things in the ticker. The Scratch Foundation introduced a paid membership that can be viewed like a donation. You get exclusive sprite packs, inside views and discounts in the merch shop and more. Azure DevOps Server, the self-hosted variant of Azure DevOps, removed the year out of its name and released a new release candidate version, porting some features that were previously introduced in the version Microsoft hosts. Gemini CLI now supports offering extensions to connect your tools directly into the interface of Gemini CLI. That's already it for this week. Please leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. See you!